In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Paramount Plus app. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, make sure you're on a Windows device that has the Microsoft Store installed, which comes standard on modern versions of Windows. Using the Microsoft Store is the safest way to download the official Paramount Plus app, since it verifies the publisher and keeps your apps updated. Begin by opening the Microsoft Store. You can do this by selecting the Store icon on your taskbar, or by clicking the Start button and typing Microsoft Store into the search field to bring it up. Once the store opens, give it a moment to load the home page fully so the search tools are ready. At the top of the Microsoft Store window, you'll see the search bar. Click into it and type Paramount Plus. If your keyboard makes it easier, typing Paramount Plus usually works too, as the store understands both. As you type, you may notice suggestions appear. Go ahead and press Enter to view the full results. Now, look carefully through the results and find the official Paramount Plus app. The official listing will clearly display the Paramount Plus name and logo, along with the verified publisher information and user ratings. This helps you confirm you're selecting the real app and not a third-party guide or something unrelated. If you don't immediately see it, try checking that you spelled the name correctly and that the plus sign or the word plus is included. Once you've found the official Paramount Plus listing, click on it to open the app's page. Here, you'll see details like the description, screenshots, and system requirements. When you're ready, select Install. The store may ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account if you aren't already. This is normal for free and paid downloads in the store environment. After you click Install, the download will begin. You'll see a progress indicator showing how far along it is. The time it takes can vary based on your internet speed and whether the store needs to fetch any supporting components in the background. It's best to keep the store window open while it works and avoid interrupting your connection. When the installation is complete, the button on the app page will change to indicate that the app is ready, and you'll see the Paramount Plus icon added to your apps list in Windows. That's all there is to downloading the Paramount Plus app from the Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching, and great job following along.